Let's see how to practice speaking English in real life. I will see you practically how I practice speaking. আজকে আপনাদের আমি দেখাবো কিভাবে আমি আমার বাস্তব জীবনে স্পিকিং ইংলিশ প্র্যাকটিস করি। I apply it in my garden. Today I will continue my speaking describing about my garden. Let's get started. There are amazing natural beauties in Bangladesh. On the roof of the house, you can make same kind of natural beauties if you want. You can plant flower plants, vegetables and so. You can make your roof so beautiful by garden. You can see various plants on my garden. Like me, you can make garden on the roof. Look over there. Here is an aloe vera plant in a container. Dear nurse, this way you can practice your speaking English. Applying these tips, you can improve your speaking English.